Hello, everybody. The title of our project is Investigating the Microwave-Assisted Cutting of Carbonate Rocks. The consortium composed of 6 different partners. Hacettepe University, which is our university from Turkey, Petrosani University from Romania, Ankara University, Pamukkale University, Niğde University from Turkey, and Kemper Company from Turkey. The total budget of the project is 270,000 euros, and the requested budget is 180,000 euros. I took some information about the consortium building. I have contacted to the partners and shared my idea. After discussing the topic, we decided to prepare the proposal and submit it to Eramin. Now, I'd like to explain the responsibilities of each partner. Hacettepe University is responsible for coordination, sample collection, modification of the microwave-assisted rock cutting machine, linear cutting tests, field cutting tests, cost analysis, and evaluation of the results. Petrosani University is responsible for sample collection, the determination of the physico-mechanical properties of rocks and rock mass properties, linear cutting tests, and field cutting tests, and numerical modeling. Niğde Ömer Halis Demir University is responsible for sample collection, the determination of the physico-mechanical properties, linear cutting tests, and field cutting tests. Ankara University is responsible for sample collection, the characterization of rock mass discontinuities, and mineralogical analysis. Pamukkale University was responsible for the modification of the microwave-assisted rock cutting machine, but this partner was removed from the consortium for not fulfilling its responsibilities. Its task was carried out by services procurement. The Kemper company is responsible for field cutting tests with rotator. The objectives of the projects are to reveal the cuttability of carbonate rocks by microwave-assisted continuous miners, and to show the eco-efficiency of microwave-assisted continuous miners at surface mines. Okay, let's go on midterm results. In order to see the effects of microwave treatment on the strength of rocks, microwave treatment tests were carried out on core samples at 6 kilowatts microwave oven. As shown on the figures for 2 different rocks, the figure shows the uniaxial compressive strength as a function of treatment times, and the Brazilian tensile strength as a function of treatment time. As seen on the figures, the effects of microwave treatment on the saturated samples are higher than that of the dry samples. The uniaxial compressive strength losses for saturated rock range from 17% to 48%. The Brazilian tensile strength losses for saturated rock range from 40 to 80%. BTS losses are higher than that of the UCS losses. This is because microwave energy is more effective in small samples. The figure shows the pictures of the 28 kilowatt microwave-assisted linear cutting machine. The main components of the machine are power supply, 25 kilowatt magnetron, waveguide, cutting unit, and conical cutter. In the tests, first untreated rock is cut, then after the treatment of the rock microwave energy, the tests, linear cutting tests, were carried out. Here are some results of preliminary tests. The figure shows the specific energy as a function of spacing to depth ratio. On such plots, the minimum point of the curve corresponds to optimum specific energy. In the figures, black curve belongs to untitled sample, red and green curves belongs to 12 and 25 kilowatt microwave energy respectively. As seen on this figure, the optimum specific energy for untitled sample is 15 kilowatt hours per cubic meter, but optimum specific energy is about 6 kilowatt hours per cubic meter for the samples treated by 25 kilowatt microwave energy. This shows that the effects of microwave energy on the specific cutting energy is very important. Okay, ongoing and upcoming works. There is a delay linear cutting tests due to the coronavirus pandemic and other problems. And linear cutting tests will be carried out, and numerical modeling will be performed, and cost analysis will be done in the coming schedule. The outcomes of the project are the use of microwave-assisted continuous miners at open pit mines, the decrease in excavation, crushing, and grinding costs of rocks, and the reduce in problems associated with drilling and blasting in mines. Benefits of ERAMIN funding. The ERAMIN funding scheme has helping on the construction of the microwave-assisted linear cutting system and on travel, personnel, and other expenses. Okay, benefits of a project under ERAMIN framework compared to a national and European project. First, I will give the information about the topic addressed in the project. The main core topic is supply of raw materials from exploration and mining, and subtopic is smart and eco-efficient technologies for mining. And benefits are: consortium is easier to create and operate than the European projects. The application and selection stages are simpler than the European projects. More advantageous than the national projects in terms of increasing international collaborations. Thank you very much for your attention.